everyone, I have been getting a lot of comments and I want to take some moment to answer some of the common questions that you have been asking about the Moto G85 5G after the latest software update. So first we will talk about the camera improvements. So friends, some of you might be wondering after the updating whether the camera performance will be improved or not. I'll say that we have got a great news after the software update that you can expect excellent camera improvements with much better picture quality, sharpness and overall color accuracy. So if you are into photography, you have got definitely going to love it. And I know some of you are asking, should I update my phone or not? And my answer is yes, I highly recommend doing the update because it brings a lot of optimization that enhance your phone's overall performance and camera capabilities. So don't hesitate, just go ahead and hit the update button. And another popular question is about video recording, specifically if 1080p 60 fps video recording has been added, and the answer is yes. After the update, you now got the ability to record 1080p at 1080p at 60 fps, which is perfect for smoother, more detail for video capture. Overall, the performance after the update, honestly, it has been great. The update brings noticeable improvements in speed and responsiveness. Apps open fastly or faster, multitasking is smoother, and the overall user experience feel more polished. Or so if you were on the fence about updating, it's definitely worth it. And friends, I would like to share some wondering about the new features that come with it. First of all, I would like to share this archive apps. This one is really useful if you want to free up some space on your phone but don't want to delete apps completely after the update. And when you archive an apps, example like I want to archive this Instagram, I just press on the Instagram, then click on app info. After that, here's the archive. Just click on archive and here archive Instagram. So this will remove from the home screen and the app drawer, but it stays on your phone. It doesn't use up space in the background, but you can always restore the app whenever you need it without losing any data or setting. Just go to your setting. Like I just move on setting. From here you have to move on apps. Then you can check on here archive app listed. Okay, here you will find the Instagram. From here you can just restore it, and now it's restoring. You can check on the down, it's installing. Feature 2, Bluetooth improvements. So if you look at the Bluetooth, this update has made Bluetooth much better. You can now connect to devices like headphones, speaker or even smartwatches much faster and more reliable. So it works before the update. Sometimes Bluetooth connections could be slow or drop out. Now the update improves stability, so your connection stays strong. It also supports connecting to multiple Bluetooth devices at once, like having your headphones connected while also pairing with a speaker. You just need to scroll this panel, then after that just tap on Bluetooth, and here before it was only turn on turn off, and now it's more options. Pair new devices, you just tap on pair new devices, and it's really easy now to connect your headphones or etc. any of the device that you want to connect on it. Another awesome new features is screen recording. This one is super helpful if you want to record what's happening on your phone screen, whether you are making tutorials, saving a funny video or capturing something important. So to start it, just swipe down from the top of your screen to the quick settings. This is the screen recording. When you tap on the screen recording, you are going to find this settings. Before it was only the recording and off the record, and now it's many feature has been entered in this screen recording. Example like here's the screen audio, it means microphone, camera, touch point, and many options. You can move on the screen recording by just pressing on it. When you press on it, from here you can large, small, 1080p, 720. You can select this all, 60 fps, 30 fps. You can select 5 minutes recording time limit. You can select even the limit, file size, unlimited, record touch point. You can select this all. It's really amazing after the app. That's super amazing. Another amazing feature is we have the parallel apps feature. If you use apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram with two different accounts, then this feature is a lifesaver. So it will simply just go to your phone parallel app. Okay, just click on the parallel app, terms and privacy, continue. From here you can log in the Instagram. I have not logged in my Instagram, that's why it says login now. But if you already log in, then you can clone the apps. Okay, it's Facebook or WhatsApp. So this way you don't need to keep logging in and out accounts. Everything stays separate and works smoothly. Lately we have the last one is the family space permissions. This feature is great for parents or anyone who shares their phone with others, especially kids. It lets you create a separation space on your phone where you can control what apps and content are accessible. So to activate it, you have to move on Moto. So here's the Moto. When you click on Moto, here's the family space. So if you set up this, you can add apps and games that are appropriate for your family. You can also control permissions like limiting what can be downloaded, which apps can be used, and even who can access certain content. It's a great way to keep your phone safe and secure for everyone. You just need to create family or join family. You can create from here. Okay, there is exclusive Moto app feature, Smart Connect all your devices, family space, brings you family together. Do more with a Moto account. So that's a quick rundown of the new features after the latest update on the Moto G85 5G, from the archiving apps to improve Bluetooth screen recording using multiple accounts and setting up a family space for safe usage. These features really take your phone experience to the next level.